Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily dye your hair with eyeshadow and foundation. So I just got a little bit of foundation on my finger, put it on my brush, and just work it through my hair. I'm going in with my fingers because it's not going to take as much time if I do it that way. So it's quite dulled out, and what I'm going to be doing is putting the eyeshadow on my finger, and I'm going to work it into my hair, okay? And we're just gonna keep going until we get the pigment that we want. And now this is a one day only thing, okay? This is gonna make your hair dirty, but if you're gonna go to a party or something fun, this is super cool. So I'm gonna finish this strand just like this, and I will show you the end result. And there it is. Perfect, cute little highlight, and it doesn't really damage your hair. You just gotta clean it out the next day, and yeah, it's right cute. Probably gonna do something like this for my birthday. Let me know what you think.